the Amchi word just instinctively made us think of, how you get your Apple's mango deliveries home. Hello everyone, I'm Anushka and I am the founder and creative director of Thought of a Design. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our journey designing the Amchi packaging that's gone completely viral on social media. Ankit, who is the founder of Foppo, actually kind of gave us the freedom to do something different with it. And we decided to go completely nuts and get inspired by the Amki patties that come to us at home during summer. And I just want to kind of draw your attention to some stuff that really influenced my childhood. I don't know if you guys would remember, but the Phantom cigarette packaging, the sweets with the red tip, and the Swad sweets that we used to have when we were kids, and even Fusion gum, and stuff that just looked so iconic. And we wanted to see whether there was some kind of distinctiveness we could bring into this packaging by designing it in a completely different manner. So our design team started exploring different ways of sort of building this vibe onto this pack. If you kind of look at the type explorations, we were trying to also see, how we can make that type really big and bold, but also play with the placement of the mango ice cream on the actual pack. So just to give you a sense, this was the final sort of artwork that we played with. I felt that it would be so much more impactful if they were actually hand painted. And, I was thinking of all the signs that we see painted, chalk art that we see painted. We sort of worked with Kafilji on WhatsApp and a couple of FaceTime videos and explained to him how we wanted this artwork to be represented in the form of something hand-painted. So he worked with our design as a starting point, but we also gave him complete freedom to add some elements and some highlights of his own as well. So if you just see the actual box and the design here, the mango ice cream never had the blue shadows, and the Amchi also didn't have these extruded shadows, which we asked him to actually add in his process. So as you can imagine, we were really excited to receive in the post the hand-painted canvas. I actually want to show it to you because I think that analog is such a beautiful thing, and this just cannot be created digitally or through ChatGPT or anything of that sort. So this was the final canvas that we have actually retained in our office. We had a large team working on this project. We had a strategist, a writer, a lead designer, Kafilji, our collaborator, our printing partner who scanned this entire canvas, a retoucher who retouched this entire image so that it could just be sort of, placed on this box. And even though this is such a tiny piece of packaging, much like I explained how the Fusion gum and Swad sweets or Phantom sweets had an impact on my life, there's so much design thinking that's gone into this. And we're just so excited that everyone who ordered this off Blinkit or wherever you ordered it from had that same experience of excitement that we intended when we designed this little small Amki Beti.